Hello everybody. This is the series where I will be making very simple videos with grammatical notes like this. We'll be introducing new grammar with explanations, sometimes in Russian, sometimes purely in English. Honestly, it's an excuse to make vlogs because I kind of feel embarrassed to post anything. Like, everything is embarrassing. So you will be learning English with me. I'll probably leave the timestamps somewhere in the comments. I'm staying over at my mom's friend's place right now before we go to my grandmother. And my accent is not really great today, but I just wanted to promptly show you the grammar around me. This is a more, advanced kind of video because I'm not doing the slow talking bit. But I just wanted to show you what's on my table. I also wanted to show you how beautiful Kaza apartments are. This house belongs to a beautiful craftswoman. She's a I forgot the word. It will be here somewhere. As you can see, it's so aesthetic to me because it just shows her passion. I know I'm being a bit nosy, but like I just wanted to show you her works. It's so intricate, and I actually have like a couple of pieces from her, but it's like just a gown, and it's like so beautiful, and she just does it herself. She sells it. Yeah, and I don't know if that's invasive, but like that's her cutouts for like sewing. Okay, coming back to this corner. This looks like a Sims 2 kind of situation because I've never seen somebody actually use a small table for just a little plant. And this is something I would do in Sims 2 when I was little. So this pretty much feels cozy. And I just wanted to show you this little compartment. It's so beautiful to me. I don't even know why, but I'm just manifesting this into my life because I haven't had a house since I moved to Estonia, and it's just so bittersweet to me because I also want a corner like this in my own apartment. It's not really functional. It's just, you keep your stuff here. But I would sit here and I would drink coffee, and I would probably put my like laptops here because it's like such a sunny place and it's really beautiful. Also, we have this thing called Thermomix. It's a very popular thing in Kazakhstan. Everybody has it, but it's like super expensive for me to own one right now. Okay, back to this table. I feel like this is just an average daily routine for a lot of people, and this is just an average pile of things everybody has. Let's start off easy. This is an iPad or a tablet. iPad or tablet, right? Just an iPad in a cover. The cover is a bit messed up. It looks wonky. It looks bad, messed up. This is a mess. But it works, it's fine. Case, protective case. What else we have? We have a charger. This is a cord, and this is a charging unit. I forgot what it's called. It's like a power unit. And this is a cord, the long one. This is for power outlet. Then we have a pencil, Apple Pencil, but it's also called a stylus. This is just a tray, plastic tray, just a container, a plastic tray. Then we have a remote controller. It's for the AC. You can turn it on and off. This is a remote. This is a TV remote, just a regular TV remote. These are headphones. I think it's called different in English. Headphones it's the big kind of headphones, and I think this is called earbuds or something like that. I think it's even called like Galaxy Buds or something. So it's like earbuds. it's wireless. It's like AirPods. It's Bluetooth and yep, wireless without cords. No cords, just wireless, cordless, wireless. So next we have a bowl of candy. Nothing special, just orange candy. We have tea bags. This is tea. And also nothing special. Just in a golden packaging. This is golden color packaging. Okay, next, my favorite part is the coffee cup. This is my morning coffee. It consists of sugar, coffee, and milk. The milk is made out of almond. It's technically not milk, but you know, it's called milk. We have a cup, a tea cup, and we have a little spoon. Teaspoon is called a teaspoon. It's also kind of this golden brownish color, you know. Never, like the song. Okay, it's also, this is quite unusual, but this is a cup, a tray for sugar. I don't really know what to call it, but it's just a reservoir for sugar. And hello, this is me. This is a kettle. It was whipping up. It's kind of funny. I love the design. It's like pretty fun. And yeah, there's a switch. This is a switch. This is a handle. This is the top. I don't know. The kettle top. I don't know what's it called. Крышка. Yep. It's this kind of beige color. Beige is like kind of like my skin. Beige. It's like sad beige mama color. But I love it. And I actually really love the colors of this interior. It's so easy on your eyes. I love it. Hey guys, this is a day later, and the owner of this dress, of this robe, she allowed me to try it on. So I like this background. You know, the funny thing is, this is the last cool background that you will be seeing with me, because I'm going to the village. I look like a boho lesbian today because it's my old boho clothing from my 2021 era, and I think it's pretty straightforward. Ouch. It's supposed to have like a belt right here, but I don't really have a belt, so we ball. Also, the bag is kind of an accessory, and it kind of replaces the belt. I'm gonna show you real quick. Here's the bag. I thrifted it from my sister. Actually, a lot of my stuff is thrifted. The bracelets, they're at least like 10 to 15 years old, and like this is thrifted from my mom. This is my favorite bag, and I feel like it kind of pulls the entire outfit together. So like I don't really need the belt, but if I'm without it, I'm kind of naked, so like I need something. Okay, let me try the robe. I think it was supposed to give off seductive, but I don't really look seductive. I look like a ghost. If you're actually interested in buying this, you should, you know, text me. I could arrange that. Yeah, it's really good. I love it. Anyways, so I think I will be a village baddie. It's not actually a village, it's like a small town, but I will be a small town girl. Small girl? By the way, I'm editing this video right now, and please make sure to write the grammar that you learned today in the comments so you wouldn't lose it. because it also boosts my channel, and I really need your help to grow this channel. So please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, just anything. Give a thumbs up, and you know, maybe share it with your friends or like online. That would be like great help for me.